Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and we have here one of these 2-liter turbo engines on Audi. I think it's a Q5 2012-13, one of those years, and car came with multiple codes. We have a code on the fuel pressure sensor G247 right here, which we're going to replace, but then we have a air one of the codes is for air intake leak, and the only way to do properly diagnose this problem, I'll show the codes in the as a screenshot also, but when you have misfires, the engine is kind of running at rough at idle, then you have codes for intake leaks, or you have link condition. That means you have a vacuum leak. The best way to diagnose this and the easiest way is to get one of those smoke machines, and you plug it up to one of the, here's the camshaft sensor. Make sure you cap the throttle body, because it'll try to come out, and then we're going to turn this on and you're going to see the smoke. This problem that you're going to see here is a very common issue on these 2-liter turbo engines. This one has about 100,000 miles, and here we go. The seal on the valve cover, timing chain valve cover, or timing chain cover seal is leaking like crazy. As you can see, we actually had oil leaking here. We had to clean the engine, but this is your proper diagnostic to see the actual leak right here in this corner. Don't pay attention to this. I was trying to get a rubber seal, but I couldn't find one, so I'm using just tape in this case to do the fast, very fast diagnostic on this. And this will be your situation here. As you can see, enormous amount of smoke, so that means the engine is sucking air from this seal, so it has to be replaced. Remember, this the timing chain cover seal, and also there's another seal here on the camshaft adjuster. That seal has to replace too. So recommendation, do not try to use Chinese seals, because they will leak also. It happened to me before. So try to use OEM or as close to OEM as possible. And that's your diagnostic. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like my videos and please subscribe. Thank you.